what's going to happen is robots will be able to do everything better than us. I'm including, I mean, all of us, you know. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what to do about this.
Not really something that I advocate, or this is not prescriptive. This is simply hopefully predictive. Because people sometimes say, well, like this is something that I want to occur, instead of this is something I think that probably is the best of the available alternatives. The best of the available alternatives that I can come up with, and maybe somebody else can come up with a better approach or better outcome, is that we achieve democratization of AI technology, meaning that no one company or small set of individuals has control over advanced AI technology. Potentially a dangerous outcome there, and we need to...
Dangerous?
Potentially, yes. I mean, there's been movies about this, you know, like Terminator.
Yes, this tends to plague smart people. They just can't, they define themselves by their intelligence, and they don't like the idea that a machine could be way smarter than them, so they discount the idea, which is fundamentally flawed. That's the wishful thinking situation. I'm really quite close to, I'm very close to the cutting edge in AI, and it scares the hell out of me. It's capable of vastly more than almost anyone knows, and the rate of improvement is exponential. I'm not normally an advocate of regulation and oversight. I mean, I think one should generally err on the side of minimizing those things. But this is a case where you have a very serious danger to the public. And so therefore there needs to be a public body that has insight and then oversight on to confirm that everyone is developing AI safely. An AI that is vastly smarter than any human on Earth, and ultimately smarter than all humans on Earth combined. I mean, the DeepMind system can win at any game. It can already beat all the original Atari games. It is superhuman. It plays the games at super speed in less than a minute. DeepMind's AI has administrator-level access to Google's servers to optimize energy usage at the data centers. However, this could be an unintentional Trojan horse. DeepMind has to have complete control of the data centers, so with a little software update, that AI could take complete control of the whole Google system, which means they can do anything. They can look at all your data, you can do anything. We're rapidly headed towards digital superintelligence that far exceeds any human. I think it's very obvious. AI doesn't have to be evil to destroy humanity. If AI has a goal and humanity just happens to be in the way, it will destroy humanity as a matter of course, without even thinking about it. No hard feelings. It's just like if we're building a road and an anthill happens to be in the way, we don't hate ants. We're just building a road. And so goodbye anthill. We have 5 years. I think digital superintelligence will happen in my lifetime.
For many years now, Tesla CEO Elon Musk warned people about the dangers of AI-powered robots, even predicting scary outcomes like in the Terminator. Now, he seems to be taking matters into his own hands before humanity is overrun. The electric vehicle company will develop a humanoid robot prototype dubbed the Tesla Bot, Musk announced at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence Day on Thursday. According to Musk, the prototype will be completed sometime in 2022, though the billionaire entrepreneur is known for blowing past his own publicly stated deadlines on large, flashy projects. For example, in 2016, Musk promised full self-driving vehicles by 2018, writing on Twitter, "In 2 years, someone should work anywhere connected by land and not blocked by borders." When that didn't happen, the billionaire entrepreneur promised that Tesla would supply the roads with 1 million robotaxis by 2020. Last spring, he softened his tone during Tesla's first quarter earnings call, noting that punctuality is not my strong suit. Musk has claimed that Tesla's autonomous vehicles will hit the market shortly after they get regulatory approval across the US. How his robot will face regulation remains unclear, but one thing is certain: Musk insists it will be amiable. It's intended to be friendly, of course, Musk said during the Tesla bot announcement, and navigate through a world built for humans. While Musk is known for his support and development of artificial intelligence, he's long opposed the pace of advancement in robotics, often citing a film that came out when he was just 13. "I'd like to just keep an eye on what's going on with artificial intelligence," Musk told CNBC's Closing Bell in 2014, adding, "There have been movies about this, you know, like the Terminator." In 2017, Musk publicly referenced the Terminator again, citing his neurotechnology startup Neuralink, which aims to develop brain implants for humans to interface with machines, as a preventative tool against a threat like Skynet, the 1984 movie's AI antagonist. "That is the aspiration, to avoid AI becoming other," he wrote on Twitter. Later that year, Musk doubled down on his warning, while speaking at that year's annual summer meeting of the National Governors Association, a Washington, D.C.-based nonpartisan political organization. "Robots will be able to do everything better than us," Musk said during his speech. "I have exposure to the most cutting-edge AI, and I think people should be really concerned by it." Shortly thereafter, Musk tweeted some additional commentary, this time centered on a viral video of a parkour-performing robot made by Waltham, Massachusetts-based robotics firm Boston Dynamics. "This is nothing. In a few years, that bot will move so fast you'll need a strobe light to see it. Sweet dreams." According to the presentation's briefing slides, the Tesla bot, codenamed Optimus, will stand 5'8", weigh 125 pounds, have human-like hands and feet, contain a visual sensor to help it see, and ultimately work to eliminate dangerous, repetitive and boring tasks. Some Wall Street analysts are questioning the timing of Musk's announcement. Daniel Ives, a Tesla analyst at Wedbush Securities, called it a head-scratcher in a post-announcement report on Friday, comparing the announcement to Robotaxis and other future sci-fi projects. "While we appreciate Musk's longer-term technology vision," Ives wrote, "a Tesla bot is not what investors want to see." Indeed, Musk noted on Thursday that the decision to build Optimus was not prompted by specific manufacturing needs, but instead because Tesla now has the capability to do so. He also cast a somewhat shaky vote of confidence that, if needed, humans could defend themselves against the Tesla bot. Hopefully that doesn't ever happen. But you never know. So guys, what's your opinion on the bold move? Is this something Tesla should be focusing on? Or why doesn't Tesla just outsource robots from companies like Boston Dynamics to save time and resources?